People only bully pretty people. Now, I'll tell you something that will change your life. Nobody's gonna bully you if you don't let yourself be bullied. Never be at the mercy of somebody else. And I'll tell you how. People only bully people who are beautiful, people who are confident, people who have something that they don't have. That's why they prey on those people, because they know those are the next superstars, those are the next millionaires, those are the next models. They only bully the people who are beautiful and what they want.